Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn business page. Before you create a LinkedIn business page, you must have a personal account that is at least 7 days old, few connections on the platform, and you must also have full first and last name for LinkedIn to be sure that you are a real person. It will be disappointing as a business owner to have an account on LinkedIn, build connection, only to find out that you are building it on a wrong foundation.
The first thing you need to do is to go to your web browser like Mozilla or Safari or Google Chrome and type linkedin.com. Create an account if you don't have any, but we've already said that you must have an account that is at least 7 days. Once you log in, you come to the top right hand corner here where you can see for business from the top bar here. So you can click on for business. Okay, then you have this options. Explore more for business. We have hiring on LinkedIn, sell with LinkedIn, and from the last item from the bottom here, you can click on create a company page. So let's click on it. Once we click on a company page, it will prompt us with 3 options here: create a LinkedIn page, connect with clients, employees, and the LinkedIn community. So to get started, we need to choose a page. So we have this option for company, small, medium, and large businesses, and we have this showcase page, so pages associated with an existing page. So this is associated with an existing page, and this is for educational institutions like schools, universities, and some businesses in the education space. So let's go with company page. Once we click on the company page, we can go ahead to add the company name, the URL, for example, what we want to see after the linkedin.com. So it could be linkedin.com/ your company name for search engines to be able to know your page when people are searching. Then we have the website, if you have any. At least a corporate business who can be on LinkedIn should also have a website. The industry you are in, let's say you are into tech. So as you type, you can see options related to what you do: tech, let's say education. So there are lot of options you can choose from, which will help LinkedIn recommend your page to LinkedIn users. And you can choose the organization size, whether you are a 1 employee organization, and as much as LinkedIn can provide, up to even 10,000 employees. So you can select the organization type: public, government, sole proprietorship, privately held, and more. And you can choose your logo. So you can go to an app like Canva, or if you're good with other designing tools, you can go ahead and create your logo. This is what you can do later, and once you input all this, you can go ahead and click on create.
I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new content. You can also check out my other videos on how to set up business profiles on Facebook, Instagram, and Google Maps.